of the biggest problems that which we face with condoms is men keep it in their wallets.
Bleeding on the first night is so important for some people.
It's a ridiculous thing.
But if you have something which is restricted to the genitals,
then to फिर until unless I
how many kinds of HPV viruses are there?
more than 50. If you're polyamorous, you should imagine that all your partners are infected unless proven otherwise.
Oh, काफी सारे लोग अभी भी हाइमन रिपेयर कराने के लिए जाते हैं when they are getting married. Only way an STD can be transmitted is through contact. मतलब आप condom पहनोगे तो आप 100% safe हो from all the STDs.
Not 100%.
Okay, then how much?
The only way to be 100% safe from an STD is...
Okay, let's talk about sex.
Okay then. What about it?
So, यहाँ पे स्टूडियो में किसी का सवाल था जो बड़ी बेसब्री से
Sorry, I'm cutting it so funny. हम लोग हेयर के बारे में बात करते हैं, बस हेयर से सीधा
हाँ
सेक्स.
बस अभी हो गया हेयर स्किन हो गया अभी now we'll talk about sex.
So we're talking about like hairy pubic region. What are we talking
No,
about?
we are not talking about hairy pubic region at all. We are talking about hairy or non-hairy pubic region. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
So what is क्या था वो poly what? पॉलीएमरी. तो जिन लोगों का एम है लाइफ में पॉलीएमरस होने का यानी कि मल्टीपल पार्टनर्स के साथ जो सेक्सुअल रिलेशंस रखना चाहते हैं.
It need not be sexual.
नहीं सेक्सुअल रिलेशंस के बारे में ही वो सवाल पूछना चाहता था एक्चुअली बिकॉज ही इज वेरी एम्बिशियस. व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस दैट दे शुड टेक अदर देन वेयरिंग अ कॉन्डम आई गेस.
So, as doctors, we always assume that the patient is infected with all the viruses. That's why हम लोग gloves पहनते हैं. We use proper precautions, right? We never examine a patient or when we're examining any mucosal surface. अगर mouth examine करना है, eye examine करना है, genitals examine करने हैं, हमेशा gloves के साथ होता है. Patient को कुछ भी नहीं होगा, but हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि patient को है. वैसा ही if you're polyamorous, you should imagine that all your partners are infected unless proven otherwise.
Okay.
Guilty until proven innocent. ठीक है. तो अगर प्यार दो प्यार लो है इतना तो जस्ट प्लीज नो दैट दूसरा बंदा भी बहुत लोग के साथ प्यार दो प्यार लो हो रहा है राइट. सो इट्स इट्स अ पूरा वेब. तो पर्सन ए को सिफिलिस था, उसने पर्सन बी के साथ किया, पर्सन बी ने सी के साथ किया, बट अभी डी ने जब सी के साथ किया तो अब तो डी को हो गया. हुआ किससे? ए से. डी एंड ए हैव नेवर मेट इन देयर लाइव्स.
ए से कैसे हो गया?
अरे यार वेरी बैड. That's a very good joke, actually. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, so D and A have never met. But D got it from the A.
सब समझ में आ रहा है, सब समझ में आ रहा है. ये कॉन्वर्सेशन कहाँ जा रही है? ठीक है, तो क्या प्रिकॉशन? बेसिकली कॉन्डम्स.
So the only precaution which prevents against STDs is barrier. Condom हो या diaphragm हो, cervical female condom हो, okay? That is
फीमेल कॉन्डम क्या होता है? The tablets.
No, it's a pouch which it's like a male condom is worn over the penis. The female condom goes inside the vagina. It's literally like a pouch.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Think of it like you know how menstrual cup is.
Yeah.
That goes inside. So similarly, this also goes inside, and it just prevents the it prevents the semen from being exposed.
And it's equally safe.
No. Lesser efficacious as compared to a male condom. A female condom is not as effective. Why? Because there is still contact can happen with around the vulva and everything. But at least it gives more control to the woman. Because the male condom, suppose nahi मैं खोल दिया है whatever, like you know, like they don't want to wear something and you don't want to force them or something. At least here the control is in your hand. So that way it gives them a lot of empowerment. So the government, and we also used to distribute a lot of female condoms to a lot of commercial sex workers.
अच्छा.
Because their clients may not be the best, and you know they may not want to use or whatever, but at least they have to safeguard themselves, no? So this way the onus is in them.
But the only way an STD can be transmitted is through contact. मतलब आप कॉन्डम पहनोगे तो आप 100% safe हो from all the STDs.
Not 100%.
Okay, then how much?
The only way to be 100% safe from an STD is abstinence. That's the only way.
But what, like 99%, 98%?
No. So again, it depends on how even the condom is worn.
Oh.
Okay. like a condom has about 95% success rate against pregnancy when
Okay.
used correctly.
Okay.
Birth control pills have 100% success rate against pregnancy, right? But अगर आपका टैबलेट मिस हो गया, अगला टैबलेट बराबर नहीं लिया, तो ब्रेक थ्रू प्रेगनेंसी भी हो सकता है,
हाँ.
right? Condoms, if first have to be worn correctly, the air pocket at the end has to be removed.
Right.
One of the biggest problems that which we face with condoms is men keep it in their wallets,
हाँ.
then sit on their wallets.
Yeah.
पूरा तो फट सकता है ना,
Oh.
so that's the thing.
Okay.
तो टेयर हो गया ना,
Right.
तो फिर तो हो गया, लग गया. So in case boys नहीं, men, because above the age of 18, before 18 is statutory rape. If anybody's when you want to wear a condom, or when you know for a fact you will be using one, always keep it in your front pockets to prevent unwanted pregnancy and to prevent STDs.
Imagine walking around with a condom in the front pocket. Who knows when you need it? It's kind of.
But you know, the thing is, ये polyamorous है ना,
हाँ.
इसको तो चाहिए.
उसको तो 10 लेके घूमना पड़ेगा
जितना
कम
भी,
से कम.
बट एट ए टाइम उन्हें एक ही पहनना है, बिकॉज दो पहनने से ये भी मिथ है कि दो पहनने से डबल प्रोटेक्शन.
Oh.
ऑन द कॉन्ट्री, देयर इज ज्यादा
Extra
फ्रिक्शन हो जाएगा तो
So
फट
more
जाएगा,
chances of
फट
of a
जाएगा,
tear.
right? एक ही पहनो, 10 लेके जाओ, बट फ्रंट पॉकेट.
हाँ, मतलब एट अ टाइम फ्रंट पॉकेट में एक ही रखो,
नहीं,
बाकी
front
गाड़ी
pocket
में
में-
छोड़ो.
गाड़ी में कौन जाएगा बीच में?
अरे मगर अभी एक है ना.
अरे बट वो अगर ढंग से वो हुआ नहीं तो
ओके, चलो 2 रख लो.
व्हाई?
ढंग से अगर नहीं हुआ तो एक ऑप्शन.
मतलब जितने भी है आगे रखो, बट वॉलेट में मत रखो.
अच्छा.
एंड डोंट सिट ऑन योर वॉलेट, अदरवाइज कीप योर वॉलेट इन फ्रंट.
Or you carry a body bag just for condoms.
दिन तो नहीं
I mean,
मिलेगा कुछ.
safety first. But 10 condoms front pocket में है तो then it look like a one-breasted man also, no? That is also not
हम
very
लोग
good
jeans-
prospective.
हम लोग जीन्स पहनते हैं.
अच्छा, जीन्स की फ्रंट पॉकेट में. ऐसा बोलो ना यार, क्लैरिटी के साथ. जीन्स की फ्रंट पॉकेट में रखना
अभी
है. okay?
फ्रंट पॉकेट, अभी इधर का फ्रंट पॉकेट में रखा और कोई बड़ा बुजुर्ग मिल गया, पैर चूने झुक गए तो सारे
तो तौबा हो जाएगा.
सारा निकल जाएगा.
But talking about tears,
Yes.
I wanted to
किसकी
also
बात, क्या
ask.
टेयर हो रहा है?
अभी हम उसी किसी और टेयर की बात कर रहे हैं.
कॉन्डम की ना?
नहीं, अब हम दूसरे टेयर पे पहुंच चुके
is
हैं,
what?
which is hymen tear.
Okay.
Okay, so अभी
Anything
recently,
can tear. We can talk about a frenulum tear also.
yeah, we can talk about clothes also, and we can talk about other tears which happen in Hindi, which I don't want to talk about right now. Okay, जब बहुत बड़ी समस्या में आप फंस जाते
My
हैं.
eyes are tearing.
Okay, so we were recently speaking to a private detective and ऐसा हमें पता चला कि आज भी लोग जो हैं अपने प्रोस्पेक्टिव ब्राइड या ग्रूम के ऊपर थोड़ी सी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करवाते हैं ये जानने के लिए कि हाउ पॉली एमोरस और वट एवर दे हैव बीन इन द पास्ट,
रंगीन.
रंगीन मिजाज कितना था इनका, राइट? सो इसके लिए काफ़ी सारे लोग अभी भी हाइमन रिपेयर कराने के लिए जाते हैं व्हेन दे आर गेटिंग मैरिड. इज दैट रियली हैपनिंग नाउअडेज आल्सो? आई मीन, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज इट?
चूतिए हैं. Seriously, no. The hymen can break normally even if somebody is exercising.
Yeah.
Normally चलते चलते कभी tampon insert किया, masturbation, whatever it is. अभी मान के चलो, I mean, it's a ridiculous thing. मुझे बहुत ही ये
Bleeding on the first night is so important for some people.
मुझे बहुत बकवास लगता है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. एंड लाइक मुझे ना, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच रियली मुझे गुस्सा आता है इस बात पे, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक I don't entertain.
And also there is no counter thing for men that you can do.
What do we do?
How is that fair?
No, the thing is, what do we do? नहीं, why are we doing in the first place? हम मतलब why should ये क्या है? Now for example, please shake my hands. In certain cultures, this is, oh my God, हाथ मिला लिया.
Yeah.
पराए मर्द के साथ.
और अवतार में तो पूंछ मिलाने से भी सेक्स हो जाता था.
यार वो चोटी थी उनकी.
अच्छा, छोटी.
But no, what I'm trying to say is that now this
हाँ.
we shook hands.
Yeah.
But in certain cultures,
Yeah.
you वो छीक हाथ कैसे मिला? You're understanding? So this is a very weird thing. So I don't मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. I don't agree with any of that nonsense.
And in any case, it doesn't prove anything. I mean, you bleed or you don't bleed doesn't prove anything. And what is the
there is no need to prove.
yeah,
Who I'm shaking hands with, I shook hands with everybody.
Yeah.
Am I a bad person?
very bad.
You
I know
share
what
a
you-
meal with so
Yeah.
many people.
Yeah.
Like you eat a meal or something.
Yeah.
एक मुझे ये दिस क्लीन
Yeah.
पवित्र न्यू क्या बोलते हैं चकाचक व्हाटएवर
Yeah.
लाइक मुझे ये कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं जमता
नहीं समझ में
लाइक
आता।
मुझे नहीं इट डजंट गो डाउन वेल विथ मी ओके सेकेंडली व्हाई आर वी डूइंग ऑल दिस क्यों करना है क्या हासिल हो रहा है एंड पीपल स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन hymenoplasties
Really?
people spend a lot of money on hymen reconstruction I don't know why like this is some sick obsession
Pointless,
I know,
actually.
very
Pointless,
sick.
actually.
This is-
Completely pointless.
मुझे I don't like all this
But talking about secrecy,
Hmm.
कि हमें नहीं बताना है, अपनी पास्ट लाइफ छुपानी है, so let's do a hymenoplasty and get married.
तुम भी चूतिया हो तुम्हारा होने वाला पति भी चूतिया
हाँ, दोनों का सेम मेंटालिटी है, राम मिलाए जोड़ी, एक अंधा एक कोड़ी.
है what एक अंधा एक what
कोड़ी.
कोड़ी
राम
एक
मिलाए जोड़ी,
जोड़ी.
एक अंधा एक कोड़ी.
what is a कोड़ी
कोड़ी is a leopard. Leopard.
oh
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah.
I know oh,
Yeah.
interesting
But talking about secrecy.
I heard something else because I heard घोड़ी
नहीं, कोड़ी.
घोड़ी
तो आप जब आपके पास पेशेंट्स आते हैं क्या मतलब बहुत सीक्रेट लोग रखते हैं अपने STDs अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, हाउ कॉमन इज इट नाउ डेज?
STDs are so common and that's something people want to obviously keep it hidden
हाँ.
okay it's something like you feel dirty about it okay for अब मान के चलिए मुझे अभी कोविड है और हम 4 साल पहले हैं सीक्रेट रखते हैं आप नहीं रखते लेप्री कोड़ी की बात हुई लेप्रेसी राइट नाउ तो इट्स वेरी लेस बट I don't want anybody to know I have leprosy I don't want anybody to know I have tuberculosis नहीं जिन्ना को टीबी था देश बढ़ गया मतलब पता होता तो कभी करते नहीं you know what I mean like you don't want to know you don't want to let anybody know about your infectious diseases अभी आपको 4 साल पहले कोविड
But
था
it's infectious only when you're having sex, right? Not otherwise, is it? I mean, अगर आपको है कोई STD, the only way you can transmit is by having intercourse with somebody.
let's say you have herpes you have oral herpes okay and now I'm
Oral herpes is in the mouth.
in the mouth ठीक है अभी आपने पानी पिया एंड मैंने आपका ग्लास शेयर किया
अच्छा.
I will get so yeah you have syphilis and you have secondary मतलब it has reached your blood now तो अभी हाथ पैर में भी आने लगे secondary syphilis हाथ पैर में भी दिखता है ठीक है you get ऐसे lesions
Oh.
we shook hands
Yeah.
that's very infectious मुझे हो गया so it need not always spread sexually
Okay.
अगर वो उधर लीजन अभी यहाँ पे ओरल हर्पीज है
हाँ.
तो
चलो वो तो बात ही अलग हो गई. But if you have something which is restricted to the genitals.
then तो फिर until unless I am exposed to those areas there's no other way and in normal social conversations you don't get
I think in a way it's like अगर आपको कोई भयंकर बीमारी हो गई है तो somewhere it is not your fault.
पाइल्स आप बताना चाहोगे सबको हाय गाइस आई हैव पाइल्स मतलब
Yeah, it's like discussing your shit in public. Oh, it was this color, it was this consistency. You know, it was uncomfortable.
no you discuss
In
it
a
with your
way.
gastroenterologist but otherwise के guys मुझे फिशर है टेयर हो गया फट गया whatever like you're not going to discuss this you don't want like people to know na it's just because people are very it's called the private parts for a reason we're very private about them
Yeah.
नहीं जानना है नहीं बताना किसी को यार कि फोड़े हो गए हैं अभी whatever फोड़े
Fur. Okay, let's talk about something clean.
you started it
Okay, fine. I take it back. आप
What,
अपने
STDs?
Instagram पर आप अपने अच्छा चलो पहले उससे पहले एक बात करते हैं कि आजकल बहुत न्यूज़ में अभी रिसेंटली HPV वायरस बहुत न्यूज़ में था. दैट इज ऑल्सो सेक्शुअली ट्रांसमिटेड
yes
एंड इट ऑल्सो कॉजेज सर्विकल कैंसर.
yes
हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ HPV viruses are there?
more than 50
50.
more than 50 yeah
And how many of those are cancer causing?
6 11 16 18 31 33 35 45 53
So many.
so many strains of it so मान के चलो about 20-25 मतलब 20-25 strains होंगे which are you know high which cause high risk of cancer okay so cervical cancer doesn't just cause I mean so the HPV virus doesn't just cause cervical cancer it
Okay.
also causes penile cancer it also causes oral cancer it also causes anal cancer it basically causes warts तो जहाँ जहाँ वो होगा उधर उधर कैंसर हो सकता है
हो सकता है बट इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी कि होगा ही होगा.
हाँ So there are benign warts and there are malignant warts. Okay?
And how do you differentiate?
Clinically.
Biopsy करके.
Clinically. I mean, biopsy, yes, but...
Or like देख कर also you can...
Clinically you can see, you can do a biopsy, then you can do a pap smear, you can do a Bethesda grading. वो पता लग जाता है, biopsy करके भी पता लग जाता है कि whether there is any, atypia or cells are looking very abnormal, nuclear cytoplasmic ratio. मतलब basically biopsy करके हम बता सकते हैं. So luckily this is one of the cancers which is vaccine preventable. So we have cervical cancer. I mean, it's mislabeled as a cervical cancer vaccine.
Yeah.
Because अगर ये वैक्सीन लोगे तो वो HPV related oral cancer से भी prevent करेगा, pharyngeal cancer से भी prevent करेगा, penile, anal, वो cancer से भी
all kinds of HPV related
so in
cancers.
Foreign countries, boys also take it.
Oh.
It's not just for women.
Okay, but is it the same vaccine that is available in India as well? Oh.
Exact same vaccine. So for example, we have a vaccine which prevents against only 4 strains. We have a vaccine which prevents against only 2 strains. Okay, there's a vaccine which prevents against 9 strains. Okay. तो ऑफ कोर्स वो ज़्यादा महंगा है, बट एटलीस्ट वो 9 से तो प्रोटेक्शन दे रहा है ना, जो मोस्ट कॉमन ऑर्गेनिजम्स की वजह से हो रहा है उसे प्रोटेक्शन तो दे रहा है.
बट ये वैक्सीन जो है वो यंग एज में लेनी होती है ना?
या बिफोर सेक्सुअल डेब्यू.
ओह, हम लोग सब लेट हो गए हैं यहाँ पे.
नो, बट ले सकते हो. वाई? बिकॉज 50 से ज़्यादा अभी कोई पॉली है ये बंदा, ठीक है. तो उसको मान के चलो उसने वैक्सीन अभी तक नहीं लिया, ठीक है, बट ही इज़ बीन इन्फेक्टेड बाय से टाइप्स 16-18, बट 31-33 से तो अभी तक इन्फेक्ट नहीं हुआ. तो अगर वैक्सीन लेगा फ्यूचर में, अगर उसको कोई 31-33 वाला मिल गया, एटलीस्ट ही विल बी प्रोटेक्टेड अगेंस्ट दैट. नो,
बट इट वर्क्स इक्वली वेल फॉर older age groups also?
So there's no sense, I mean they say that there's no point giving it to someone above 45 because by that time exposure has already happened.
Okay.
So really no point. So this vaccine protects better when the person is still virus naive, when they've not been exposed to the virus yet. So after they've been exposed to the virus, not really very effective. And because 50 से ज़्यादा subtypes हैं, तो फिर भी sense है लेने का कि at least उनसे तो बच गए होंगे. Like there are 4 types of dengue. आपको डेंगी लाइफ में 4 बार हो सकता है. ओके, सो देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ डेंगी वायरस. डेंगी 1, डेंगी 2, डेंगी 3, डेंगी 4. ओके, आपको डेंगी 1 वायरस हुआ, यू गेट डेंगी. फ्यूचर में वही सेम मच्छर ने डेंगी 1 से बाइट किया, आपको नहीं होगा, बच जाओगे, ठीक है. अच्छा, बट डेंगी 3 ने बाइट किया तो अब डेंगी वापस से हो जाएगा.
ओह हाँ, मुझे 2 बार हो चुका है.
हाँ, सो बिकॉज वो अलग टाइप का डेंगी वायरस था. इमेजिन इफ देयर वाज अ वैक्सीन अगेंस्ट डेंग, ठीक है. तो अगर आपने डेंग 1 आपको हो गया एक बार, बट आपने वैक्सीन अब जाके लिया इस एज में, तो 1 to 3 4 से प्रोटेक्शन मिल गया, तो फ्यूचर में एटलीस्ट 3 और 4 से तो प्रोटेक्शन मिल जाएगा ना, अगर आपको वो गलत एडीज मच्छर ने काटा तो नहीं. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
या गॉट इट. Okay, now moving on.
Science is fun.
And talking about your Instagram. So there are very few doctors जिनके Instagram अकाउंट पे इतना रंगीन कंटेंट होता है. आप उनमें से एक हैं.
Thank you.
How come you thought about creating Instagram content and you're so funny? Like how do you do it?
I hope you enjoy my content.
Of course I do. I saw one video where you're doing some ashleel action and you're talking about something very relevant about penis sizes.
Okay.
And about... It was really funny.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So it started like I think pandemic time, and I remember I was I was just reading my dermatology textbook once, and I still remember I was reading the chapter on diet and acne. उसमें लिखा था कि वे प्रोटीन लेने से एक्ने होता है, शुगर खाने से एक्ने होता है, वो सब. मैंने बोला यार ये तो बहुत ऑब्वियस बात है, बट जनरल पब्लिक को नहीं मालूम. सो इट स्टार्टेड विद दैट आई वुड जस्ट वांट टू लाइक सी माई टारगेट ऑडियंस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आर नॉन मेडिकोज. अगर कोई डॉक्टर मुझसे डॉक्टरी उस पर सीख रहा है, देन आई डोंट नो कहाँ मेडिकल कॉलेज में गए वो, मतलब देन इट्स अ वेरी सैड सॉरी स्टेट ऑफ अफेयर्स. ओके, सो माई टारगेट ऑडियंस इज ऑलवेज बिन नॉन मेडिकोज, जिनको ये छोटी मोटी बातें शायद नहीं पता होगी. एंड वो लाइक माई सेकेंड मैं 2020 की बात कर रहा हूँ, जब मैं 2021 में मैंने जब लॉकडाउन टाइम में एक वीडियो बनाया था, सर्विकल कैंसर वैक्सीन फॉर मेल्स, मैं तब से बात कर रहा हूँ. Way back, it was maybe my 2nd or 3rd video as a creator that I'd made, that the cervical cancer vaccine can also be taken by males.
Okay.
Right? Like normal people doesn't know this.
I didn't know it.
Exactly, right? And people still think it's the cervical cancer vaccine, तो सिर्फ girls के लिए है, right? So something like that, like I always felt कि ये तो मुझे जो fairly obvious चीज़ें लगती हैं, it may not be so obvious for somebody else, so let's start like that, okay? And I also know for a fact that if you want to maybe learn how to cook properly, you'll watch a proper 20-minute video on YouTube. आप सीखोगे बराबर, राइट? रिवाइंड करके भी देखोगे.
हाँ.
Instagram is not the platform for that. Instagram पे मुझे क्या देखना है भाई, मेरा दोस्त क्या खा रहा है, how are their dogs, how are their babies, where are they traveling. People just want to like look at nice things, you know. So if you really want to catch somebody's attention, it has to be relevant. It cannot be boring.
Yeah.
So that's how it just it came.
But it's amazing because that pulse and that whole trick of saying so much in a short video and continuing to make it interesting, because वो तो interface भी platform का ऐसा है ना, you are boring for 1 second and people just move on.
Exactly, right? People just want to mindlessly scroll. And like I said, Instagram is not the place to gain knowledge.
Yeah.
You want there to like chill. आपको funny चीज़ें देखनी है, कुत्ते को देखना है, बिल्ली को देखना है. You want to watch funny memes and all that jazz, right? उसमें से कोई आपके कोई ज्ञान दे के चला जाए. So that it really took me some time to figure out like how to push it, or you know, like what to do and what to say. I feel I've semi-cracked it.
Okay.
I think so. I'm still learning new things every day.
But that's the best thing about Insta. जब आप 4 चीज़ें सीख जाते हो तो वो 4 नई इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं.
like
Always keep you on your toes. It's just like your medical industry. आपने 4 प्रोडक्ट सीखे, अभी 4 और नए आ गए. Now you have to learn those.
बराबर, true.
It's amazing. Life is all about growing.
Yeah. So Instagram was fun, like, and it was just a good out. Like, it breaks the monotony of my medical career.
हाँ.
So full life, you see patients, you sit in the OPD, you go to the theater, you do your procedures, do your surgeries. Life goes on. Like, you know, there's no variation per se. In our life, variations come. चलो हम कोई medical conference में गए, या हम कोई skill upgrade करने कोई, you know, कुछ और कुछ सीखे. Like that is the only thing जो हमारे life में नया हो रहा है. Otherwise वही same. It's a very routine, regimental life. So this would give me a, you know, a break from the monotony, and it's still pertaining to medicine at the end of the day.
Correct.
And I've always enjoyed teaching. I've always before I got into private practice, full-on private practice, I was an assistant professor at the medical college.
I know that. Yes.
Yeah. So I've always enjoyed teaching, and you know, yeah. So that's why.
And also another thing which I noticed about you, एक चीज़ मतलब सारे डॉक्टर्स के बारे में, मोस्ट डॉक्टर्स जो मैंने देखे हैं, दे आर सो बिजी इन देयर प्रोफेशनल लाइव्स that they hardly get any personal time, because of which they don't work out. They don't go to the gym. I've hardly met any doctors जो पुल-अप्स या चिन-अप्स मारते हो या रनिंग करते हो या इस तरह का कुछ करते हो. आप नेशनल लेवल स्विमर रह चुके हैं.
Yes.
So how is that going for you? I mean, that's amazing that as a doctor you're creating content also, informing people about things also, and you're swimming.
So I used to swim in school. I got I have 2 national bronze medals though.
Yes.
50 meter freestyle and 4 into 100 meter freestyle relay. So these were my 2 events. This was in school back in the day.
Okay.
The thing is, someone who has a lot of money is rich. But someone who has a lot of time is wealthy.
Oh.
One should aspire to be wealthy in life. ठीक है? Even if I make 100 rupees in a month, no, it's still a profit for me. Okay. Luckily, by God's grace, we've never had to worry about where our next meal is going to come from. Okay. अंबानी इतना पैसा होने के बाद भी अभी रोज दफ्तर तो जाता ही है. मतलब you know, there's never an end to how much money you can make.
Exactly.
Bill Gates still works. Jeff Bezos still works. Elon Musk still works. Mark Zuckerberg. But now they're working because they enjoy what they do. Like, they're not doing it out of majboori or a compulsion, right? I'm fortunate enough to be in a field which I enjoy. I enjoy medicine. Yes, the study of medicine was bloody 14 years. एकदम वनवास जैसे पढ़ रहे जा रहे हैं. You know, that was not the most fun thing. But I love being a doctor. I love what I do. So I enjoy it. But I also love playing the piano. I also love running. I also love swimming. I also love doing a lot of other things. I'm Dr. Agni in the hospital. But beyond that, I'm just simple Agni. Right?
I'm just Ags.
No one calls
No.
me that.
I had to say it.
Yuck. Chee. Ags. But yeah, so if you're always work कभी life में बंद नहीं होना है.
हाँ, correct.
India has 1 billion people. As a doctor, that is my pop sample size, right? 1 billion patients. तो वो तो कभी नहीं जाने वाले.
हाँ.
You have to put a hard stop somewhere.
Yeah.
नहीं, अभी personal time, private time,
Yes.
exercise. And plus my father, my grandparents were athletes. My father was an athlete. Now he's into
Wow.
veteran sports.
Oh.
He went to Dubai, he went to Nepal, so he does that. He's into athletics. So that sporting background had always been there. It's just that when I got very busy with my career, like I've gained weight. You know?
I can see that. I just wanted to be polite.
Yeah, so I've gained weight because I was not getting that much time.
Okay.
But today morning I did a 5K.
Wow.
5 kilometers I did. Yeah,
Nice.
It was good fun.
In how much time?
How much did we do it in?
Did you do it in 30 minutes?
Of course, yes.
Because I was
So-
at Dulali for lunch and it was written 5-kilometer run in 30 minutes is equal to 1 beer.
So I usually when I'm running, I run at a pace of 4:30, 4:15, 4:20, like 4 minutes, 20 seconds, 4 minutes, 30 seconds a kilometer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
that's good.
So 5 minutes would be 5 fours at 20.
What was the speed?
4:30, 4:20. This is the pace.
Okay.
So when you're doing like a long run, like we do per kilometer, right? No, so
Okay.
usually I maintain a pace about 4:30, 4:20 per kilometer. So my when I did the Mumbai Marathon, I did 21 kilometers in 1 hour 53 minutes. So that was my personal
Whoa.
best. Yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah. But
That's
my
amazing.
fastest 10 kilometers till date, my fastest 10 kilometers is 47 minutes.
Okay, now you're just showing
And I'm
off.
flexing. Now
You're
I'm
just,
flexing.
yeah, totally.
Now I'm being cocky.
Yeah, totally. I'm thinking about my own, and I don't even want to mention it now after hearing all that because it's quite ridiculous. Anyway.
Senior citizens के लिए थोड़ा slow होता है.
हाँ ठीक है. That also you had to punch in somewhere. कोई बात नहीं. I'll come to you for fillers someday.
You're very scared of fillers right now.
है ना? Right now, so you've really scared the living daylights out of me.
That's the thing. I see. Again, I'm not a salesman. I have to tell my patients the bad things also.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
Only then will they trust you. Because complications will happen. ये होंगे. If say a procedure has a 2% complication rate, तो 100 पेशेंट में से 2 को तो होगा ना. और अगर उन 2 को मैंने नहीं बताया ये तो तुम्हारा लाइफ बदल देगा एकदम.
हाँ,
अरे,
क्या लगोगे
डॉक्टर
तुम
क्या
तो.
कर दिया, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not a salesman. I will tell my patients all the good things, all the bad things. Then you take an informed call whether or not
Whether
you want to do it.
or not. Okay, now before we sign out, I want you to tell me 5 things that everybody should include in their routine for a good, healthy skin, which is not fillers.
Of course. And this is what we started a conversation with. Number 1, 8 hours of sleep.
8 hours of sleep.
Non-negotiable. Okay. Number 2, in your balanced diet, protein daily intake should be 1 to 1.5 grams per kg per day. So if you weigh 60 kg, 60 to 90 grams of protein per day. Usually what I tell my patients, simple rule of thumb, eat the rainbow. Which means you eat foods of as many different colors as you can, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Invariably you end up getting all your antioxidants, all your multivitamins, all your micronutrients. You never really have to come to a doctor for a supplement. आपको diet में सब कुछ मिल गया. So good sleep, good balanced meal with your adequate macros, which is your proteins and your micros. Okay. Water. Basically I'm telling you what your mother used to tell you. Okay. Water. Okay. Minimum 1.5 to 2 liters a day. Okay. Smoking nahi.
Smoking nahi.
Vaping nahi. Marijuana nahi. You know, I have so many patients who tell me, doctor, I don't smoke, I vape.
हाँ.
Vaping related lung injury is as bad as tobacco, if not worse.
Oh.
Doctor, I don't smoke cigarettes, I only smoke marijuana.
हाँ.
अरे स्मोकिंग इज स्मोकिंग. आप चाहे अगरबत्ती का धुआं लो या सिगरेट का लो या वेप का लो या मैरिजुआना का लो, किसी चीज़ का भी लो, स्मोक इज स्मोक. सो कट डाउन ऑन योर the bad things that you do in life. Okay, smoking, alcohol, all of that, and of course exercise. So that's it. When you exercise, your body releases a lot of feel good hormones also. You know, encephalins and all of that it releases. Your body gets younger. So somebody who's exercising a lot, you see them and you see somebody who's never exercised a day in their life, this person will look decades younger.
Okay.
Right? I told you 5 things. That's it.
Amazing. Thank you.
Right?
Thank you so
एक
much.
छठा चीज़ डाल दूंगा, डरमैट हूँ.
हाँ.
सनस्क्रीन.
सनस्क्रीन. ओके, सनस्क्रीन के बारे में तो थोड़ी और बात करेंगे क्योंकि मैंने बहुत मिक्स्ड रिव्यूज़ पढ़े हैं सनस्क्रीन के बारे में. व्हाट आई हैव रेड इज़ दैट ओके इट्स लिटिल कॉन्वोल्यूटेड बट सनस्क्रीन जो है वो आपका मेलानिन पिगमेंट जो है उसको वर्क करने से बंद कर देता है, इसलिए यू आर मोर एक्सपोज्ड टू स्किन कैंसर्स बिकॉज योर मेलानिन इज़ नॉट वर्किंग. बेसिकली व्हेन यू गो आउट इन द सन, the tanning is your skin naturally protecting you from the sun and skin cancer causing rays. But when you put sunscreen, you block that natural action that your skin has. Yeah, I said it now. Tell me.
Very
Explain.
interesting hypothesis.
है ना?
Very interesting. It's a hypothesis. मतलब इसको वैसे ही okay. So sunscreen is protective against skin cancer.
Okay.
Okay. नाउ द थिंग इज स्किन कैंसर किन रेसेस में ज़्यादा दिखता है? वाइट रेसेस,
Okay.
ओके, कॉकेशियंस, वाइट स्किन, टाइप 1 टाइप 2 स्किन, ओके. इंडियंस, ब्राउन पीपल, ब्लैक पीपल, by default we are blessed with melanin.
Yeah.
We are by default little resistant or we are resistant to skin cancers like squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma. हमें इतना नहीं होता सन डैमेज की वजह से जितना सफ़ेद चमड़ी वाले लोगों को होता है.
Okay.
उनकी बॉडी में मेलानिन ही नहीं है, राइट, ना के बराबर है. वो बेचारे धूप में जाते जल जाते, पूरे रेड हो जाते, राइट. दे कैन नॉट गो आउट विदाउट पुटिंग डॉलप्स एंड डॉलप्स ऑफ सनस्क्रीन, अदरवाइज दे गेट बर्न्ड.
Okay.
राइट, एज इंडियंस वी डोंट नीड टू डू दैट. ओके.
So basically, are you saying as Indians we are better protected without sunscreen than Caucasian skin?
No. Of course. So so brown skin, black skin is intrinsically resistant to sunburn. It is intrinsically resistant to skin cancer as compared to white skin.
हम धूप में जाते हैं, हम tan कम और fade ज़्यादा होते हैं.
So white skin always burns, it never tans.
Okay.
Brown skin always tans, it never burns.
Oh.
Okay, so we are protected against that.
Okay.
Because हम लोग इक्वेटोरियल रीजन में रहते हैं. Our bodies have naturally adapted melanin so that हम धूप से जा सके without dying.
हाँ.
Okay. That is the purpose. As an Indian, okay, when someone of color, brown skin, black skin, why should we be applying sunscreen? To prevent against sun damage and sun damage related aging.
Okay.
So that is what primarily we are doing that for. Because I said no, glowing skin जब आपने बोला, that's why I said छठा चीज़ डर्मेटो तो डाल देता हूँ. So for us, okay, for a normal person, now you have lupus. Lupus में there can be photosensitivity.
Yeah.
People can have a malar rash, malar butterfly, right? They can have in that case, sunscreen is therapeutic. Because otherwise sun rays are going to cause an inflammation in your skin and you will get a flare of acute cutaneous lupus erythematosus.
Okay.
तो आपके केस में like I'm so glad आपको था, so that example के लिए बता सकता हूँ कि people with photosensitive diseases, lupus हो गया, xeroderma pigmentosum हो गया, Bloom syndrome, कुछ भी बोलो, उन लोगों के लिए सनस्क्रीन दवा है.
अच्छा.
एल्बिनिज्म पता है?
नहीं.
एकदम वाइट पीपल,
आईज
भी एकदम ब्लू,
राइट,
ऐसे बिकॉज उनके बॉडी में मेलेनिन ही नहीं है, आंख में भी मेलेनिन नहीं है. तो अनलेस वो चश्मा नहीं पहनेंगे, काला चश्मा, दे कैन नॉट इवन स्टेप आउट बिकॉज इतना ब्राइट सेंसरी ओवरलोड हो जाता है. ओके. इन लोगों के लिए सनस्क्रीन दवा है. ठीक है. नॉर्मल पर्सन, फॉर देम सनस्क्रीन इज टू प्रोटेक्ट अगेंस्ट सन डैमेज. Yes, it protects against skin cancer also. But हम लोग में इतना होता नहीं है जितना वाइट स्किन में होता है. तो वाइट स्किन के लिए भी सनस्क्रीन दवा है, नहीं तो जल जाएंगे, राइट. So sunscreen protects against cancer, it prevents against cancer. But Indians में the actual return of investment of a sunscreen is photo aging को कम करता है.
Okay.
So आप इतने बूढ़े नहीं लगोगे because of constant sun damage जितने लगने चाहिए. If your chronological age is 50, and if you use sunscreen properly, at least your skin will not look 50. हड्डी ज़रूर 50 की दिखेगी, मतलब एक्सरे करूँगा तो 50 साल की हड्डी दिखेगी, बट स्किन कम से कम आपका 45 या 35 या 40 इयर्स का, 40 साल का दिखेगा.
अच्छा. ओके. So basically everybody has to use sunscreen.
45 is 35.
45 is 45.
Shit, sir. 35 is what?
35 is 35.
35 से 40 35 से 40 साल के लगोगे.
Okay, I'm going to talk to doctor a little more about 35, 45 and 35, 45. But meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed this conversation. Thank you so much, doctor, for telling us about so many different things. And I also learned a lot today. And I want to end this chat today by reminding you what he just said, कि Ambanis भी रोज काम करते हैं. वो एक it's never ending. Just like that, your skin care is also never ending. अगर आप एंटी एजिंग की भी बात करें तो 50 साल का इंसान 40 लगना चाहता है, 40 का 30 लगना चाहता है, 30 का 25 लगना चाहता है, 25 का 20. अब मुझे बताओ 35, 25, 45 कितना था? एनीवे, सो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप जो हैं स्किन केयर का ध्यान रखिए. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू गो इन फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर, डेफिनेटली टेक योर पिक, बट रिमेंबर दैट रियल ब्यूटी इज़ फ्रॉम विद इन, not from without. I'm quoting you. And just take care of your health, take care of your diet, take care of your exercising, and then if you want to go ahead with something, definitely go ahead. I hope you enjoyed this chat. This is me signing out. Love and peace.